I'm trying to open up the... Hold on. I'm trying to get open the... Oh, no. It's already starting this morning.
I know what it is.
Oh, here we go. Okay, this is just the articulation video. So our Alphafriend starts with the letter C. C makes the sound That's careful. When you say the letter C, when you say its name, it sounds like S. It's supposed to be the sound. What letter makes the S sound? S, not C, even though it sounds like it. Okay, so listen, watch her mouth. This is what your mouth should look like, and the sound that should come out. You guys, hand sanitizer should just be at the top of your desk. Don't touch them, leave them alone. All right, eyes up here. Here we go. Listen. So you see how his mouth is opening? Okay? Your tongue almost kind of goes up a little bit in your mouth when you do it. You don't think about it when you're doing it, but when you make the sound, say cat, cow, cauliflower, cat. All right. So those are all words that begin with the letter C. Okay. Oh, guys, I'm getting there. I know you're excited, but I want to go over the sound that it makes. Okay. So our Alphafriend, her name is Carla Cat. Can you say that? Carla Cat. Okay. So again, watch, listen for all the sounds that you hear that make the Carla Cat sound. Not K. All right. K makes the same sound. We're looking for all the things that begin with C. Okay. So this week I actually am going to be pulling you guys all aside and asking you, what starts with the letter C sound? What starts with the letter K sound? So here, this will be a really good review this week. This will help you when you're like, I don't know one that begins with K and C. I don't know the difference. So you're going to learn a lot of C words today and this week, okay? All right, so here we go. This is Carla Cat. There she is.
Can you help Carla Cat catch the cricket? It's just jumping in the grass and Carla wants to lick it. The cricket hops round the corner, tricky, clever cricket. So all my cats get ready, we're going to try and trick it. So curl up in a ball, just like the letter C. Stay calm, so it thinks that you're asleep. Everybody purr as it jumps past your claws, and that's when you'll catch it. Catch it in your paws, come on. Can you help Carla Cat catch the cricket? It's just jumping in the grass and Carla wants to lick it. The cricket hops round the corner, tricky, clever cricket. So all my cats get ready. We're going to try and trick it. Here we go. Let's try and catch that cricket together. Everybody curl up into a little ball, just like the letter C. Stay very calm so that it thinks you're asleep. Now everybody purr. Be really tricky. And as it jumps past your claws, that's when you catch it. Catch it. Can you help Carla Cat catch the cricket? It's just jumping in the grass and Carla wants to lick it. The cricket hops round the corner, tricky, clever cricket. So all my cats get ready. We're going to try and trick it.
Oh, no. Oh, Carla. Isn't that funny? Okay, all right. Lots of different C words. What did you hear, Juliana? Cricket. Very good. Cricket. What else did you hear, Dean? Claws. Okay, she said her claws. She's getting them ready. Yes, Jenna? Carla Cat, of course, right? Georgia? Calm. Very good. Remember, she said to, curl up and stay calm. Right, Evelyn? Lick. It has a cut at the end. Lick. There's a K at the end. So that C sound is there, but not in the beginning. Aiden. Corner. Very good. Or just around the corner. She was going to try and catch the cricket. Okay. All right. Did you hear the word clever? Remember, she was saying that clever little cricket, right? He was hiding, right? Okay. And the word catch. Carla Cat was trying to catch the clever cricket, right? Okay, lots of C words. Okay, so when you get your paper, go ahead and put your name on the top. This is the letter. Oh, she is saying, remember to start just below the line. Okay, so let me go over. Okay, let me pull up the C paper here. I want to go over with you. All right, let's open this up. All right. Oh, there's Cairo. Remember, oh, now I got to go all the way to the bottom here because we're at the end. So my arm's going to get a workout this week. And I can't just keep it ready up here. There we are. Okay. So listen carefully. All right. Do you see how the C starts a little under the headline, uppercase? So she's reminding you, don't forget that you're going to start a little underneath it, and then you have to curve up and hit the headline down to the baseline. So trace those two uppercase C's. Lowercase c is just the same motion, but it's under, yes. So we're going to start under the midline and curve up and hit the midline down to the baseline. Don't close it. All right. Now go ahead. The first word is someone's name, so that's why it's uppercase C. It's the name So again, C, A, and M. All these letters, A and M too. We've made them all, so they should all be made correctly. Evelyn, where's your pencil? Everyone should be started already. And then write it on your own. Trace it and write it. Well, of course, so that's our Alphafriend. Carla, take your hood off. I already did. All right. You gotta put these away. You only need one out. Okay. So if you want this as an extra one, I can just put it in your desk. If this is almost empty, you can just take this one home if you want to too. But we have all these ones. You don't need all these out. It's way too many. Okay. Just one. Alrighty. So trace the word camp. Write it on your own. All right, the next one. We've had this word before. It's our word today that we're going to be focusing on. Can. Very good. So all under the midline. Nothing passes the midline or the baseline. Can. C-A-N. Can. You want to do it? All right. The last one is cab. Cab. So C. A-B, and then write it on your own. C, A, B comes down, bounce up and over to the right. And then we do have a sentence today. Who thinks they could read the sentence for me? Will, you want to read it? Wonderful. I can see a cat. So trace it, the sentence, and then remember, try to put the letters, look at right underneath each one. Believe it, make sure you have a finger space. Keep the letters nice and close together. All these C words, right? But see, look at, I can put them right underneath each, oh, make your T tall. Your T was not tall. And then add your period. All right, so trace the sentence, write it on your own. All the way to the top, right? Start from headline to baseline. Okay, upside down. Good job. Very good. Don't put your name. Have a look at your chair and all the way.